Hey guys, Forex Capital here. We're gonna chat about Bitcoin again. Now, before we move into Bitcoin, I just kind of want to touch base and take a look at the S&P 500 today. I mean, we had this nasty decline all day today. It looks like it all started in the U.S. session, and it kind of escalated after that. We're coming up to some pretty good support in your daily chart. This is the 200-day moving average. And then also, if we scroll back, I mean, if we go back basically a year, we have this trend line 2 here. Now, we could have bounced back. We could not. It depends. If I take a look at the monthly chart here, and if we count from here, that is 9 quarters of just pure advance. That's 40% gain right there in this last 9 quarters. And we really haven't had that much of a pullback. I mean, we had this 2 months here, and that's about it. And then we're having basically this month a nasty month. So now we got it. If you guys are in stocks or anything high yield, just kind of be careful, because this could get nasty. I've been in the bearish mood for a long time, and for years and years, it still surprises me how high we can go up on this thing. If we take a look, and we this white line is your the interest rate expectations for next year, and it kind of follows a lot the S&P 500. Now, after this decline, we also had a little bit of a decline in interest rate expectation, because if they're not raising rates, what will happen is then I can just move my stuff to other assets instead of, something like a high yield Aussie dollar. Now let's take a look at what we came to talk about. Bitcoin. Let's see. This doesn't look very enticing at all. I mean, like I mentioned before, we're still holding in this wedge. This does not look very bullish at all, and I would wait. I mean, the moving average, we're just kind of hugging the moving average, and then today we had that dropped. We still have a lot of support to break if we were to go higher. I mean, we still have the 200-day moving average right here, and then the 61%. So as of right now, I would sit and wait, because this doesn't look very enticing. Now, if you look at the alts, they do look a little bit better. One of them that caught my attention is Ubiq. This could potentially set up for go higher. This is the daily chart of Ubiq. If we go to the 4-hour chart, we're right above. We had that massive breakdown, breakout, and this is the 200-day moving average. We came back down, and now it seems like we're just kind of hugging between this fib and the 200-day moving average. Before I even consider this going long, because this could be setting up for an inverted head and shoulders. Smaller one, but I mean, we have left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Your neck will be right here. Here is where I would put your neck. Now, if we get at least a 4-hour chart or a daily hold of the neckline, this could set up for a fairly nice long that we could look into it. Just kind of measuring just out of the blue. So there could be a potential here to make a little bit of money, especially in this market. They're getting pretty hard to make money since the yields are so low. Now, crypto market's a little bit different, but we do crypto and we do Forex too. If you guys like the video, please subscribe. Thanks again, guys. Have a good night.